In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule a Reels on Instagram. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open Instagram app and click on your profile. Then you need to enable professional dashboard. If you didn't do this, then click on this menu icon and click on the account center. After comes the settings and activity page, you need to scroll down and click on creator tools and control, and then switch account type and then switch to business account. Now scan the pop-up will appear on your screen and click on the switch text. Now click on this home icon and then add your reels and click on this next button. Again click on this next button and scroll down and click on more option. Now you need to enable schedule these reels and choose the time for your reels. When you're satisfied with that, then click on this done button. Now go back to previous step and click on the schedule button to schedule your reels. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily schedule reels on Instagram.